Hi guys, it's louisemcjagger again and welcome back to my channel. Okay, it has been months since I last filmed, so medyo I'm not trying to get the hang out of filming again. Anyway, so natapos na yung RuPaul's Drag Race, hindi pa ako tapos. Hindi ko siya nahabol, guys. A lot of things happened that I wasn't able to film. Anyway, I am back, so I hope nag-enjoy pa rin kayo sa akin. Okay, let's get on with it. Today, we're going to be filming episode 4 of RuPaul's Drag Race Season 10, which the winner was Miss Aquaria. So here's her look. This is the look that we are going to be doing today. Medyo artsy, creative yung look natin today. So, mapapalaban ako today. If you want to see me try to recreate this look, so please keep on watching. Ecru Spot Palette from Detail Makeover. Use the shade Biscuit. So the brush I'm gonna use is this one. This is just, I don't know, it's a generic set that's rose gold and it's an angled brush. There we go. I'm just gonna use this because I need to carve out the shape that we're trying to achieve. So I'm gonna use Pecan. It's a grayish brown color, so it doesn't affect the darkness that we're gonna do later. So half ng lid, ito lang half of your lid, and then I think I'm gonna put it on the brow bone. Here. Here. I'm gonna put it there. This is the brow bone. Putting on something like this, a light color, just as a guide, is gonna help a lot. Kasi if I put on a black agad, tapos mali, ang hirap tanggalin ng black and then I'm gonna have to redo everything. Tapos, gagawin natin is, hindi siya dito mag-end. Somewhere here. Bababa siya. I think dito. Malapit na din sa, not the middle, pero bababa siya. Very pointed. Parang naka-arch siya. Dun sa may arch mo din. Dun mo din siya i-start ibaba. Now we're gonna start shading. Dahan-dahanin natin yung pag-apply ng dark na color kasi this is black. And I don't wanna go na black agad kasi nga medyo maselan yung hindi naman siya smoky eye na buo is black eh. So medyo precise yung pagkakalagay natin ng black. So we're gonna go subtle lang. So from this is brown, grayish brown to another grayish brown color. This is again the Detail Autumn Eyeshadow Palette. Kanina yung Ecru, ngayon naman yung Autumn Eyeshadow Palette. And we are gonna use the color, this one, kind of a gray color. For sure kung lalabas na maayos yan. This is the shade Saga. Blending brush. Blend lang natin yung edges dito sa taas. No product at all, just the brush. Blend lang natin yung edges because this is a little bit diffuse. We're gonna use the Jaclyn Morphe eyeshadow palette. The first one, I know she's coming out with another one. Parang yung Vault, I already pre-ordered. So that's nice. We're gonna use the shade Central Park. It's a brown shade. I know this is a little bit warmer than what we're going for, but we're just gradually darkening things up. got the shape down. The next thing that we're gonna do is finally we're going to apply the black color. And I want to be very, 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 very careful with this. Because it's hard to erase black. It's harder to erase black than any other color out there. And I'm gonna use the Jaclyn Hill palette again. This is the color Abyss. So, yun yung black dito sa palette na to. It's this one. There. I'm happy with this. So we are going to try and repeat this on the other side of my eye. Makeup is supposed to be fun. For me, makeup is something that lightens up my mood. So I like putting on makeup. I like watching people put on their makeup. Especially drag queens. I mean, this series is inspired by drag queens. And I myself, I am inspired by drag queens. Don't know why. Ever since exposed ako sa world of drag, I have been in awe of everything that they have done. Mamangha talaga ako. Sobrang bilib na bilib ako sa kanila. Cause drag drag makeup takes a lot of time and effort. And just thinking about it, yung drag queens, they do that every night na may gig sila. And that could be every day. So, it's like half of your life na ganun. You guys should watch, if you want to be informed. Parang, I think they made a series na ganyan, na feature si Lady Gagita. Hindi ko alam. Basta meron siyang video sa YouTube and I watched it. Yun nga, parang super effort nun ang ginagawa niya. Bibili ka ng costume, tapos yung makeup, hindi naman pwedeng kailangan, syempre nag-update ka din ng makeup arsenal mo, tapos magpo-perform ka pa sa gabi, as in daig pa yung artista. And guys, these drag queens, they don't have like super daming PA, unlike artista. Some artistas diba some artists, they go to actors and actresses, they go to the set, tapos may sarili pa silang trailer, ganyan. Drag queens, they don't usually have the luxury of that. Usually, they go to the bar, tapos dun lang sila sa backstage, na cramped up pa. Tapos dun ka lang mag-ready, dun ka magsiset up ng stuff mo. Diba? And you don't have, like, makeup artists. Nagagawin yung back and call mo. You do it on your... Ikaw mag-makeup sa sarili mo, tapos ikaw mag-perform. Ikaw din yun. Ikaw yung magpa-practice. Ikaw bibili ng costumes mo. That's like, that is a tough job. That is why I admire drag queens talaga. And I'm hoping to get to know local drag queens din. Kasi hindi naman ako, I've watched a few shows, but ngayon, hindi ako galing ka-exposed sa drag community dito sa Philippines. Nood lang ako ng RuPaul's Drag Race. Yun lang. And I'd like to get to know like the drag queens a lot more. So, sana. Hopefully. And diba, ang saya siguro if collab sama drag queen. Oh my gosh, that would be a dream come true for me. As in. There we go. We got the dark part, and that's not over yet. It's gonna get a lot darker. So what I'm gonna do now is I'll get concealer. So I'm gonna use again the Morphe one. Put it in the back of my hand, as usual. And then we're gonna clean this up. Itong part na to sa gitna at saka dito sa ibabaw. We're gonna put a lot more space kasi may color pa dapat yan, and may white. Itong gitna muna. So just use a synthetic na flat brush. So buksan natin to. We're gonna get concealer, and then ito lang. Kung meron kang brush na mas maliit dito, use that. As precise as possible. Para kang nagka-cut crease. Bago ako mag-proceed dun sa other side, isa-set ko na to. What we're gonna use is this is the BYS Neon Palette, and we are gonna use the shade Vivid, which is a white color. It's in white, so any white that you have, the shade Vivid. Lakas maka-black swan ng makeup na to. Ewan ko kung bakit. Pero it reminds me of that. Sa stage na to Black swan. So, if you have like a white pencil, that would be better. Wala ka nun. Or white liner. You can use that. Next is yung blue. There's a blue part dito sa taas. And I'm gonna use this is the BYS Neon Palette again. And we are gonna use Electric. Dito kasi sa harap. Ayan. Electric. So it's this color. It's a very bright blue. Alright, with the magic of editing, hindi nyo na-experience kung gaano katagal ginawa yung kilay ko. Okay, so we have foundation already, and we have our eyebrows on. So next na gagawin natin is yung under eye. So yung under eye niya, medyo kadugtong na dito, yung pagka-smoky. Tapos, medyo may yellow. We're gonna get the Detail Makeover Autumn Eyeshadow Palette again. And then we're gonna use the shade Saga. And we're just gonna fill underneath dito. Alright, so I give up on that shade. Hindi talaga siya kumakapit sa skin ko. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Parang ina-absorb ng skin ko yung pagka-yellow niya. So, what I'm gonna do is, alam ko hindi shimmery yun, pero we're gonna use a highlighter. Okay? So, this is the BYS Highlighting Palette. There. At ang gagamitin natin shade is Golden. This one. so I am back. I already put on lashes and then I contoured my face na din. Next is blush. So yung blush niya is medyo corally na pink. So I'm gonna use, it's from Forever 21. My tita gave this to me. Thanks, tita. I hope you're watching. Let's use this one. This one pala. This one. Parallel siya dun sa contour, yung blush. So, yung lips niya is a very, very pink lip and glossy siya. So, what we're gonna use, this is the Mary Kay lipstick. This is in pink melon or melon rose. I don't know. Is it pink melon or melon rose? It looks like this. Oops. Ayan. This is very pink. So, hi guys! This is our finished look from Miss Aquaria. I hope I gave it justice. I know I wasn't able to do a lot of the things that she did because, I don't know, my shadows weren't working for me at the moment. But this is our own version of the Aquaria look that happened. So, I hope you guys like this and I hope you watch my next other videos. So, see you soon guys. Thank you for watching!